Hello friends. Today I am going to talk about one of the most powerful books written on psychology, behavior, and human motives, The Laws of Human Nature, by Robert Greene. This book helps us understand why people behave the way they do, how to read their hidden intentions, and how to master our own emotions and actions. So let's begin this 20-minute powerful summary. 1. Law of irrationality. Humans are emotional, not logical. Robert Greene says that 95% of human decisions are emotional. People seem logical on the outside, but their fears, anger, ego, and desires drive them. What to do? Think before you react. Understand emotions, then decide. Influence others through their feelings, not logic. 2. Law of narcissism. Everyone is self-absorbed. Every human has some level of narcissism. Some people only focus on themselves, their needs, their problems, their identity. The trick: people like you only when you make them feel important. How to apply? Listen actively. Give people value. Stay away from extreme narcissists. 3. Law of role-playing. People wear masks. Everyone acts in front of others. Nobody shows their real personality openly. Some pretend to be kind, some pretend to be loyal. How to detect? Watch actions, not words. Observe body language. Be careful of people who are too sweet. 4. Law of compulsive behavior. People repeat their patterns. Humans repeat the same behaviors again and again, especially those learned in childhood. This is why people stay stuck in toxic relationships or repeat the same mistakes. Lesson: study someone's past behavior. It predicts their future. Don't expect sudden changes. 5. Law of covetousness. People want what others have. Human nature is attracted to what is hard to get. This is why scarcity works in marketing and relationships. Apply this. Create a little mystery. Do not overshare. Maintain your value by not being too available. 6. Law of short-sightedness. People want immediate results. Modern humans lack patience. Everyone wants instant success, instant money, instant love. But the truth is, long-term thinkers always win. 7. Law of defensiveness. People hate criticism. Most people believe they are right. If you correct them directly, they get defensive. The solution: correct indirectly. Suggest ideas in a way that feels like their idea. 8. Law of self-sabotage. Humans harm themselves. Many people step back when they should move forward. Fear, low self-esteem, and insecurity stop them. To break this, know your inner limits. Take small steps. Build self-confidence. 9. Law of envy. Jealousy lives inside everyone. People find it hard to tolerate others' success. Jealousy is silent but dangerous. What to do? Don't show off too much. Recognize jealous people. They act friendly but compete silently. 10. Law of grandiosity. Success makes people arrogant. Whenever humans taste a little success, they start believing they are superior. This arrogance eventually destroys them. Reminder: stay humble and grounded. 11. Law of gender fluidity. Both masculine and feminine energies exist in everyone. Each person has both creative feminine energy and strong masculine energy. Balance is power. Using both energies smartly leads to creativity, leadership, and emotional balance. 12. Law of aimlessness. Without purpose, people drift. If you don't have a clear purpose, you will become part of someone else's plan. To avoid this, set a main life goal. Take daily steps toward it. Stay focused. 13. Law of conformity. People follow the crowd. Most humans copy others blindly. They follow trends and popular opinion. Real strength: think independently. 14. Law of death denial. People avoid thinking about death. Humans know they will die one day, but they avoid this truth. Robert Greene says remembering death gives life clarity. Powerful lesson: stop wasting time. Do what matters now. The laws of human nature teaches us that understanding others begins with understanding yourself. If you apply these laws in your daily life, You will build better relationships. Avoid manipulation. Stay emotionally strong. Make wiser decisions. And truly understand human behavior. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you found this narration inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.